Hi, this is Wendy Lee at CreativeLeeYours Studio. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited to share with you that I'm expanding my popular Forget-Me-Not online club to include two options. First option is product-based and is available only in the US. With your minimum monthly club purchase, you will have access to our private Facebook group where you'll find all the fabulous Forget-Me-Not class tutorials as well as additional monthly bonus tutorials for free. The second option is a tutorial-based option, and I'm super excited that this is going to be available to anyone globally. With this option, you'll also have access to the same private Facebook group with the fantastic Forget-Me-Not class tutorials and additional bonus tutorials each month. Both club options run for a 6-month subscription and can be renewed as many times as you'd like. Yay! So each option comes with many great perks of its own, so be sure to check all the details out in the links below. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact me at wendy@creativeleeyours.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope to see you in club soon. Thanks. Bye.